Yeah, man, the chicken them nice and crispy and all, people. You see that? Watch that. Not even Popeyes, KFC. None of the chicken place them no bad so. Yeah, man. Yes, people. So today we outside in the backyard. We'll do some fried chicken. You see it Jamaican style. So we just go get the fire ready, up and running, and then after that we go start seasoning the chicken. You see me I say? Yeah, man. It's kind of windy today, you know. Windy today. It's kind of been windy ever since the whole winter season, you know, passed through. But anyways, let me say some fried chicken we are dealing with today, guys. We'll get the fire up and running, and then we're making see what go on. You understand? Yeah, man. So we have some charcoal. You see it? We'll add a little cooking oil pan it, and see if we can get it up and running. Probably can use a plastic buckle the same way. Probably have to cut it and then try catch a fire with it same way. You know, then something easy to catch fire. But you have to cut so the fire can penetrate through it, you know. We'll see if that go work. But I'm gonna try to find some other things to throw in pan the same way. Try to start with the fire, guys. I probably forget a plastic fork or something, you know, and try to catch it. You see me? Yeah, try to catch a place of fire. Yeah, so we use a plastic fork, guys. Make the fire kind of melt the fork and drop, you know, drop in a coal. We have sticks that can work too. That's supposed to can catch it. Well, we saw go on. Yes, people, we still a try to catch a fire right now, you know? Yeah, man. Still a try. I'll get some more sticks and hopefully in 5 minutes, should be ready. Yes, guys, once the fire catch, we're gonna put on the pot, add some oil to it, and make it go and get nice and hot, you know? Yeah, man. Like I saw some fried chicken we are dealing with today. Jamaican style, outdoor style, backyard style, you know? Yeah, man. Yes, people, so we have some chicken right there, so some chicken leg quarter, leg and thigh. We're gonna clean it up, season it up, and then get the pot hot, nice and hot in the on the fire, and then we're gonna start frying. All right? Yeah, man. So I'm making swag one. All right. So the chicken leg quarters them there. Yeah. We have 3 drumsticks, 3 of them, yeah, and 2 thighs. All right. So we kind of had started to clean it up a little bit on the inside of the house, you know. So we're just gonna remove the inside of the thigh them, something here. Just remove them. Yeah, man. And then we're gonna make a split in the middle like that, just to soak in some of that seasoning. You understand? Yeah. Just a little split from both ends, both sides, you know. Just like that. Clean up anything I need to clean up on the legs them. Not much need to clean up. You understand? All right. So now we're going to wash this off, guys. Just go add some vinegar. And then we're going to add some water just to rinse it off. Add some more water again. Just remove that vinegar taste, you know. All right, the chicken's supposed to be nice and clean like this. You understand? All right, so now we have some all-purpose seasoning blend that I made earlier. All right, we're going to use this to season the chicken. But before we do that, we're going to cut up some scallion, thyme, and all them good seasoning there, you know. So we're going to kind of beat it a little bit just to extract some of that flavor. You understand? Cut it up and drop it in. Just like that. We have the good fresh thyme. You don't have to pretty it up, you know, just drop it in that same way. We have a pepper. Don't have no scotch bonnet, I use habanero today. Drop that in same way. We have some fresh garlic and we have some pimento berries same way. Garlic, we'll cut them up just like that. Yeah man, the chicken gonna be nice, guys, may I tell you. Nice Jamaican style fried chicken. Yeah. Drop that in same way. All right, and the pimento berries, we're gonna crush them up in the bag, guys. Kinda use the handle of the knife to kinda crack it open, you know. Throw this on the inside same way. Yeah. All right, so now we'll move that out of the way. We have all of the fresh seasoning them on the inside. Now we have the all-purpose blend right here. We're gonna pour that on top, not too much because we don't want it to be salty. Give it a nice little mix. Yeah man, make sure so the seasoning go up on the inside of the cuts them. You see that? Yes. And it's gonna speed up the cooking process a lot faster. Rub it in, massage it in, you know? Yes, yes. Rub it up, man. All right, so we're gonna let this sit for about a good 30 minutes, you know, guys, because we're in no hurry today. It's kind of hot outside, the sun not set yet, so we're gonna make it set for about 30 minutes. And then once the fire is fully catch, the charcoal and fully catch, we'll put it on the pot and make it see what go on. Yeah, that is it. All right, so we'll put it on the pot and I'll make it go and catch some heat. You see it, and then we'll pour in the oil. You understand? Yeah, man. All right, so we add some cooking oil to the thing, you know? Yeah, man. All right. And the oil should be hot in a few minutes. It's not gonna take long for it hot because, you know, a wood fire. Once the fire start blaze and the coal catch properly, yeah, man, the oil go start bubble up. All right, people, the oil I get there, you know, it's not super hot yet. I don't want it too hot, and I don't want it too cold. I want it just right, and it's not in a reach yet. In a reach yet. You know, so the pepper will add a nice flavor to it. You know, scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah, man. All right, so while that go on, we go add the flour to the fried chicken. Now waste no more time, you know. Just go and mix it up, you know, make sure so the flour cover all of the chicken. Yeah, man. All right, we check the oil again. Forward. All right, I'll drop in one of the chicken and then we know if it's ready. Yeah, man. The oil ready. See it there? Smelling good already, you know, people. That me I tell you. That is it. Yeah, man, we go fry them, you know, people, until them nice and crispy as it. Yeah, man, well crispy. I'll continue to try blaze the fire underneath it. You know? Because we don't want the oil get cool, you know. Put some more sticks in there if we can. You know? Yeah, man, we can go and blaze same way. All right. Chicken looking nice. What you say? Yeah. Golden. Not even KFC no looks, you know. I tell you. Yeah, man, smell good to you know, people. Smell good. Watch it, man. Yeah, man, the fire kick up, you know. That's all I want. Once the fire start blaze, we're good to go, guys. Yeah, man. Pretty like money.
He can step out, clean like breeze. Money talk loud, member, me no beg please. Lifestyle tune up, girl freeze when me tease. Why? Yeah, a Keegan lifestyle.
Yes, people, the fried chicken is almost ready, almost good to go, you know. So in about 2 minutes, we'll take it off the fire and make it cool down a little bit, and then we'll go take a bite. Yeah, man, the chicken them nice and crispy, you know, people. You see that? Watch that. Not even Popeyes, KFC, none of the chicken place them no bad so. Yeah, man. Shake off that excess oil, you know, because you don't want the chicken to be too greasy. Yeah, man. Paper towel go soak up some of that. Watch that. You remember the pepper what I stuck in the middle of it? Still inside it, you know. No flavor that go bring to the chicken now. Watch that. See there? The red pepper there? The hot pepper. Yeah. Alright, guys. Yeah, so we go make that cool down. And then we go deal with it nice and proper. You see me I say? Yeah, man. Oh my God. Yo. Smelling so good. Smell nice, man. Wow. It's crunchy. Well seasoned. But it's still hot and it's still not cool down properly yet, but we still have one munch Spanish because you know we have cool in our mouth, you know, so that's a good. Well, perfectly cooked. Yeah, man. So, if you enjoyed watching the video, guys, leave a like, leave a comment, share the video to your friends and family, share it to the world. Yeah, man. And subscribe to the channel for more amazing recipes, more cooking videos, outdoor videos, vlogs, Jamaican videos. Yeah, man. Until next time, big up on yourself. Peace. Mm-hmm.